Have you ever wondered how to make a triangle in CSS? It's strange, but it has always bothered me, and finally I decided to check it out. Check this animation. I don't know about you, but my designer sense now sees tons of creative ways to use triangles in CSS. Let's try to do it together. In our HTML we have a simple div here, and now we are going to write some CSS to turn it into a triangle. So I am going to use this triangle class, and I'm going to set a width to 0 and height to 0 as well. And now border top to, let's say, 100 pixels, solid, transparent, and border bottom the same. And now border left which will be our actual triangle, 100 pixels, solid green. And here it is, a triangle. It's a very ingenious way, don't you think? By the way, by changing the directions of individual borders, we can also change the direction of our triangle. It was a small, simple trick, but I hope you will find it useful. If you like it, give a thumbs up to this video, leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.